Sometimes on Instagram, you might have created an AI, but it's often set to public, which means everyone can access and chat with that AI. If you want only you to use it, you can adjust the settings. In this video, we'll show you how. First, open the Instagram app. Next, you'll see your profile photo at the bottom. Tap on it. Once you do, you'll see all the AIs you've created. For example, I'm selecting this AI. Then, up top, you'll find the settings option. Tap on it. Now, scroll down until you see the audience option, and tap on it. By default, it's set to everyone, meaning anyone can use your AI. If you want it to be private, select Only Me. Then, hit the Done button and tap Unpublish. Once you do that, your AI will be unpublished. After that, only you can use this AI, others won't have access. That's how you can easily set your AI to private. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.